Fermata Auto is an app to watch videos and play music on Android Auto. You can only install Fermata Auto on an Android phone with root. Fermata Auto does not support the latest versions of Android Auto. If you already have Android Auto installed, you must uninstall it first. Let's go. Download Android Auto 4.6. Download the latest version of AA Phenotype Patcher. Download Fermata Auto. Transfer into your phone memory the APK files of the 3 apps, music tracks and videos you want to play on Android Auto. Install Android Auto 4.6. Start Android Auto. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap the version item repeatedly to enable developer settings. Tap the icon in the upper right corner and select Developer Settings. Go to Application Mode and select Developer. Tick the Unknown Sources item. Install Fermata Auto. Install AA Phenotype Patcher. Start AA Phenotype Patcher. Tap the 3-point icon in the upper right corner and select Apps List. Scroll through the apps list and select Fermata Auto. Return to the main screen and tap the Patch button. Grant root permissions and tap OK to restart the device. Start Fermata Auto. Give permission to access the device memory. Tap the icon at the bottom right and add the folders where you saved the music and videos you want to play on Android Auto. Connect your phone to Android Auto. In the main menu you'll find two Fermata Auto buttons. One is for viewing the media controls. The second allows you to view videos.